Good morning, my dear student. We are going to learn about simple complex compound. Simple complex compound பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி before you know how to convert simple into complex, simple into compound, you must know the definition of simple sentence, definition of complex sentence, definition of compound sentence. What is simple sentence? It has only one finite verb. What is the meaning of finite verb? Finite verb means it denotes tenses. Limited by person, number and tense. Simple sentence limited by person, number and tense. Next, it has one subject and one predicate. What is subject? யாரை பற்றி நம்ம பேசுகிறோமோ அதுதான் சப்ஜெக்ட். மீதி இருக்கிற என்னத்தை பேசுகிறோமோ அது ப்ரெடிகேட். மீதி எல்லாம் ப்ரெடிகேட். காம்பவுண்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் மோர் தென் ஒன் ஃபைனட் வெர்ப். தேர் ஆர் டூ ஃபைனட் வெர்ப். தேர் மே பி த்ரீ ஃபைனட் வெர்ப். டூ ஆர் மோர் கோஆர்டினேட்டட் கிளாஸ். டூ ஆர் மோர் independent class connected by coordinating conjunction. Okay, two or more independent class connected by coordinating conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? This is the key word of coordinating conjunction. Fan boys. F stands for A stands for and, N stands for nor. Boys, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, S stands for so. Okay, two or more independent class connected by coordinating conjunctions. There are two class. What is the definition of class? It is a part of sentence. There are two classes, independent class, subordinate class. Subordinate class, it cannot stand alone. It depends on main class. What is main class? It can stand alone. Complex sentence. More than one finite verb. It has two finite verb or three finite verb maybe. One independent class and one more dependent class. One independent class and one more dependent class. Subordinate class has no meaning of its own. It derives its meaning from the other class. The classes are connected using by subordinate conjunctions. The classes are connected using subordinate conjunctions or relative pronouns. What is subordinate conjunctions? Though, although, even though, while, when, whenever, if, after, because, before, as soon as, since, until, unless. Relative pronouns. Who, whose, which, that, where, what, who, whose, whom. These are called relative pronouns. Complex sentence connected by relative pronouns or subordinate conjunctions. In order to know the simple and the complex, you have to memorize some keywords. Simple, in spite, verb plus ing or despite. Compound, but, yet, still. Complex, though, although, even though. Second keyword, simple, in the event of, in case of, on plus verb plus ing. Compound, are not, and words. Complex, if, can, will, unless, not, as soon as. Third keyword, being, and so, therefore, in compound. As, since, because, in complex. In simple, as a result of, on account of, because of, due to, owing to. In compound, and so, therefore. Complex, as, since, because. Simple, to. Compound, very, and so. Complex, so that, can, could. simple, in order, complex, and so, complex so that. Simple, besides, verb plus ing, not only but also, complex as well as. These are the keyword of simple and complex, compound and complex. You have to memorize. For example, on seeing the snake, he ran away. On seeing the snake, he ran away. Here, first sentence is simple sentence. He ran away. He subject, ran verb. He ran away. Away adverb. Ran is finite verb. It denotes tenses. It is past tense. But seeing is not verb. It is participle. ஓகே ஐஎன்ஜி ரிசார் சி ரிசார் வெர்புன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. முன்னாடி வந்து ப்ரிப்போர்ட், முன்னாடி வந்து ஆக்சிலரி இருக்கணும். அப்போ தான் வந்து அது வந்து வெர்பாக கன்சிடர் பண்ண முடியும். தட் இஸ் த பிரேசல். ஓகே. செகண்ட் சென்டென்ஸ் ஈ சா த ஸ்னேக். சா ஒரு வெர்பு இருக்குது. ஈ ரேன் அவே, ரேன் ஒரு வெர்பு இருக்குது. சபார்டினேட் கன்ஜெக்ஷன் வென் இருக்குது. அப்போ one subordinate clause, one main clause. It is called complex sentence. Compound sentence. He saw the snake, one sentence, one main sentence, main clause. He ran away, one main clause. Connected by and so, coordinating conjunction. That is called compound sentence. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, press like button. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.